fajitas, and I'm going to start by blending our mushrooms to give us our meaty base. Add some coconut oil to a pan, just a little bit. I'm going to add my mushrooms, and this is going to be the base for my meat. Now I'm going to chop an onion. Now I'm going to add onion to my mushroom base. So now I'm going to blend the carrots. I'm not going to keep cleaning the pot out because it's all going to go in the same meal anyway, and it was clean when we started. Likes chickpeas, so I've found that if I give them a quick blend, nobody will ever know. I'm going to add in the chickpeas. I'm going to do the same with some white cabbage. Now I'm going to add in some tin tomatoes, some red kidney beans, and some sweet corn. So now I'm going to add in a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, a little bit of salt and pepper, and normally this is where you'd put your different spices, but today I'm cheating and I've got a fajita spice mix, so I'm going to add that in now. A wrap. We add a scoop of the mix to the wrap, and fold it again, and then pop it here ready to go in the oven.